Class 5 Mathematics. Here I am again with the chapter Decimals. In this video we will learn how to arrange the decimal numbers in ascending order and in descending order. Okay, so let's start, or let us understand with some examples. Okay, now first example, 8.1, 0.789, 15.8 and 92.345. Okay, now we have to arrange this number in ascending order as well as in descending order. Okay, so how we will arrange it? First we have to know which number is largest and which number is smallest, then only we can arrange it, isn't it? And to know which is largest and smallest, we have to compare the decimals. Okay, so let us compare first. How to compare? First we will compare the whole numbers. Okay, now here the whole number is 8, here it is 0, here it is 15, here it is 92. Okay, so decimal number with greater whole number is always greater, isn't it? So here if we have to arrange in ascending order, okay, ascending order means from the smallest to the largest. Okay, so which is the smallest whole number here? 0. So 0.789 is smaller than, after 0 which is the smaller? 8. So 8.1, after 8 this is 15, 15.8, after 15 it is 92.345. So this is our answer. Now if we have to arrange this number in descending order, what we have to do? We have to arrange this from the largest to the smallest. Okay, now what is the largest whole number here? 92. So 92.345. After 92 this is 15, so 15.8, after it 8.1, and after 8 that is 0.789. so this is our answer. Okay, so first we will compare the whole numbers. Okay, now decimal number with greater whole number is always greater, so we will arrange the numbers in this way: ascending order and descending order. Now let us do one more example, that is, suppose if the question is 17.3, 27.4, 321.01 and 0.234. Suppose this is the question. How will you do it? Again the process is same. We will compare the whole numbers first. Here the whole number is 17, here it is 27, here it is 321 and here it is 0. So which is the smallest whole number? 0. So first let us arrange in ascending order. Okay, now which is the smallest whole number here? 0. So 0.234 is smaller than, after 0 which is the smaller? 17. So 17.3. after this, after 17 it is 27, so 27.4, and after 27 it is 321.01. so this is our answer in ascending form. Now if it is, you have to write in descending order, then you have to arrange in descending order, then from the largest to the smallest. So which is the largest whole number here? 321.01, after that 27.4, after that 17.3, and after that the smallest is the 0.234, and this is our answer. Clear? Now if the question is 0.7, 0.77, 0.76 and 0.776. okay, now if the question is 0.7, 0.77, 0.76 and 0.776, you have to arrange this number in ascending order and in descending order. How will you do it? Now you can see, first we will compare the whole number. So see the whole number, here it is 0, here also 0, here also 0, here also 0. So all the whole numbers are here same. So what we will do, we will compare the decimal parts here. Decimal parts means tenth, hundredth, thousand. All this we have to compare. Now before that, let us make the unlike decimals. Let us convert the unlike decimals to like decimals. Okay. Now to convert the unlike decimals to like decimals, we have to see that the maximum decimal places. So here the maximum decimal places is 3. See here it is 0.776, means it has 3 decimal places. And here it is 1 decimal place, here it is 2 decimal place, here it is 2 decimal place, and here it is 3 decimal places. So we have to convert all these 1, 2 decimal places into 3 decimal places. How we will do? We will arrange it. So before we write whole number, tenth, hundreds and thousand. Okay. Now whole number, here it is 0.7, 0.7. Now here it is 0.77. Okay. Now 0.76, 0.76, and last is 0.776. Okay. So this is the 3 decimal place, isn't it? So we have to convert this 3 unlike decimals to like decimals with 3 decimal places. And how to convert the 2 decimal places and 1 decimal places into 3 decimal places? We will put 0 after the last digit, isn't it? Here it is 1, here it was 1 decimal places, so we added 2 zeros here to make it 3 decimal places. Here it was 2 decimal places, we added 1 zero to make it 3 decimal places. Here it is 2 decimal places, we added 1 zero to make it 3 decimal places, and it was already 3 decimal places, so it will remain as usual. Okay. So now we have converted all the unlike decimals to like decimals. Now let us compare. Here all the whole numbers are 0. So what we will do, we will compare the tenths part. Okay. Now in the tenth digits, all the digits are 7. It means all are same. So now we will move on to hundreds digits. Okay. Now in hundreds digit, it is 0, it is 7, it is 6, it is 7. Okay. So 0 is less than 7. Okay. And 0, here it is same. Here these two are 7, 7. Okay. But these are 0 and 6. So 0 is the smallest. So we will write 1 beside it. Now 6 is the second, because 0 is lesser than 6 and 6 is lesser than 7. But here there are 2 7. So let us compare now this part. Here also 7, here also 7. So both are same. So what we will do, we will compare the thousands part. Okay. Now thousands part, here it is 0, here it is 6. So 0 is less than 6. So this is third and this is fourth. Understood? First we will compare the whole numbers part. Okay. Now when the whole number digits are same, we will compare the tenth digit. Now all the tenth digits are same. Now what we will do, we will compare the hundreds digit. Now in the hundreds digits, there are 0, 7, 6, 7. So 7, these two are same. So we cannot say that this is greater or this is greater. We can't come to this conclusion. What we will do, first we will compare this and this. So as we know 6 is greater than 0. So we will put 6 as 2 and 0 as 1, because 0 is the smallest and 6 is greater than 0. Now here all both in this place and in this place both are 7. So these are same. When the hundreds digits are same, what we do, we compare the thousands place. Okay. Now in the thousands place, in this number, here it is 0, here it is 6. So 6 is greater than 0. So here we will put 3, here we will put 4. 4 means it is the largest and 1 means it is the smallest. Now according to that, we can easily arrange it. What we will do, we will arrange in the ascending order first. Okay, how to arrange in ascending order? 0.7. Here we will not write 0.700. Okay, we will not write this. We will write only in the question form, that is 0.7 is smaller than 0.76, smaller than 0.77, and smaller than 0.776. Okay, now in descending order, what we will do, from the largest to the smallest, 0.776 greater than 0.77, greater than 0.76, greater than 0.7. Okay, so what we understood, we will not write this 00 here. We have converted this unlike decimals to like decimals to easily compare it, isn't it? But we will not write in ascending order and descending order these zeros. Here we will write from the question. Okay, clear? So in this way we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order and in descending order.